Okay, this layout is done using Basil cardstock. And this is the one mixed media that I did for the Happy Day wedding page that I did just before this one. And it was too much for that page. So this one I'm going to use, it's pictures of my grandma and grandpa's birthday party. She turned 85, he turned 90, which I really need to try to get home and see them. I haven't been home in 4 to go home these years. So my goal is next year. I want to go home for 2 weeks, as I always do, and go see them. And my nieces, I haven't seen them in that. Okay, anyway. So I'm using that aqua pattern from Dear Lizzy Stay Colorful called Flower Child. I put that over in the center, right? I'm going to show you. Here's the mixed media I did using oxides. And that one I used that coral layer is Jen Hadfield Cottage Living Ombre Waves called Past. No, that's from a past kit. And I use my notebook punch. And the floral layer is Dear Lizzy Stay Colorful Flower Child. It's the reverse side of the aqua layer. There's Coco. She was eating. Now she's laying on her pillow that I brought in my scrapbook room. That ice cream cone that I used, pattern that I used for my photo mat, is Dear Lizzy Stay Colorful called Sweetness. So I'm just going to put all my layers together. Okay, so I have the, oh, I keep yawning. We Make a Perfect Pair card is cut from Pink Paisley Pick Me Up #1. And then I have those dimensional florals, and those are Jen Hadfield. The die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio BU. That balloon, there's a cake and a banner that oh, there's the banner at the bottom. And then I'm going to put a cake on here in towards, I think, the top right. And those are Jen Hadfield from a March kit. There's the cake. Another dimensional sticker, floral. Circle embellishments. And now for the title. So that happy birthday is, oh, and then the grandma and grandpa. I used happy birthday, grandma, grandpa with the same white letter stickers. And those are from the Hip Kit Club April kit. And then the numbers 85 and 90 are also Hip Kit Club alphabet stickers. She grew on it. That's weird. But past kits. Alright. So once I have my title down, that will, oh no, I'm sorry, my grandma and grandpa is the ombre looking letters. But at any rate, those are Hip Kit Club's current kit. And then the others are not. So anyway, that completes my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.